Hello, readers. Today we read Two Eyes, a Nose, and a Mouth. Two eyes, a nose, and a mouth. They're the first things that we see on millions and millions of faces, from Tibet to Tennessee. Some eyes are shaped like almonds. Others are big and round. And what about the eyebrows? Why all kinds can be found. Noses can be short and wide, or turn out long and bumpy. Some are small and curve up, and some are kind of lumpy. When it comes to mouth, it's plain to see. The variety is just fine. Some have lips that are full and broad, while others are thin as a line. Isn't it amazing how changing a feature or two makes millions and millions of faces? Yet no one looks just like you. Imagine how dull the world would be if everyone looked like you or me. Over and over, we'd see the same face, till we'd wish for another to take its place. How lucky we are! The world isn't that way. Our differences make us special. The end.